Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to show you how this warm ambient lighting from the jengush mid-century modern battery-operated wall sconces has brought a more soothing and relaxing environment to our bedroom while bringing in a beautiful piece of decor. The design of this sconce set is simply stunning. The combination of gold and black really add a touch of mid-century modern elegance. The sconces are wire-free, which means we had complete control over their placement, and the installation did not require the skills of an electrician. The set comes with battery-operated rechargeable bulbs. They offer between 20 and 200 hours of customized lighting when they're fully charged. Each sconce has a personal remote to control their individual function, or they can be synced to work in unison. From the remote, we can turn the lights on, off, adjust their brightness, change the color, and even activate a nice transition or flash mode. If you're looking for wall sconces that are stylish, easy to install, and will really enhance the aesthetics of your home, you will not be disappointed with the jengush mid-century modern battery-operated wall sconces. And that's my point of view.